Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to remove language switcher icon from taskbar in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Windows 11 setting, then click on Time and Language, then click on Typing, click on Advanced Keyboard Settings. In this you can see here, use the desktop language bar when it is available. If you check this option, you should uncheck this option, then close this window. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop. That's it guys. So in this you remove language switcher icon from taskbar in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.